Hey guys, this is Tori and you're currently watching my channel. I am super excited for this video today. It's been very well requested by friends and family, and so I decided to do a video on how to apply lashes. See, I got my lashes on and you're gonna see how I do it in just a second. Before I do that, I wanted to shout out this amazing lipstick that I have on today. This is called You Can't Have It, and this is by Sarcastic Cosmetics, by Shayna. And I love this color. It's just so like vibrant, and it makes you feel like a girl boss, okay? Cute, okay? Anyways, I don't hardly ever wear like colored eyeshadow, but I've been trying to get in the process of doing that, and so I just thought that this lipstick would just go perfectly. But besides that, I'm gonna go ahead and get into that video. You guys are gonna see how I apply my lashes and kind of some tips and tricks of how I do that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and then hit that little bell so that you know what videos are gonna be up next. Bye y'all. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys some of the basic things that you're going to be needing when you are applying your lashes. Of course, you're going to need your lashes. These are Cherry Blossom lashes. These are about $2 at the beauty supply store, and you can also order them on Amazon. But I love these lashes. They're super easy to put on, and I love how they look. They're a little bit more dramatic than a regular natural lash, but that's okay. Also, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your lash glue. I like to use this lash glue. This is Duo brush on adhesive, and the reason I love this lash glue is because of the brush that is on it. The other thing that you're gonna be using is a pair of tweezers. I love these tweezers. You can use these for, you know, plucking your eyebrows, but I also use these to apply my lashes. And you're also going to want to have some mascara on hand. Any mascara will do. I just have some basic Bare Minerals mascara. And then you're also going to want to have some small scissors on hand, just in case our lashes are too long. We're going to cut those down and make sure they fit our eye perfectly. Now, one of the most important things about applying lashes is making sure that they fit your eye. Now, a lot of lashes, they come a lot longer than this. I already cut these down, but the first thing you want to do when you are applying lashes is to kind of put them on your lash to see if they are too long. Now you see I kind of made them perfect to fit my eye. Now if some people wear their lashes and they're all the way out here, that's not okay. That's not how they're supposed to be. So that's when you take your scissors and you cut the end just a little bit, and you reapply them. This is without the glue, of course, and then you just want to make sure that they fit perfect. And you see how that looks? It makes my eyes look a little bit more open. Now if I applied it more, if they were too long, it just kind of looks like they don't fit my eye. So you want to make sure you guys cut them down. That's super important. The second thing that we do when I apply my lashes, once I have cut them down, I take my tweezers and I hold them like this. So this is how they look. And then I just take my tweezer and I hold them right in the middle, and just kind of a little bit below the band. So like that. And what I do is I take my Duo lash glue, and I'm going to show you guys how I do this, but I apply it just like this. See that? Just a small, just right on the band. We don't want to apply too much, and we don't want to apply too little. We want to put just the right amount, and like I said, this lash glue puts just the right amount. You see that? The one thing that people forget when they apply their lashes is that they don't let it dry. And the reason that people struggle so much is they put the glue on and then they try to stick it on their eye and it's just sliding everywhere. It's just a mess, okay? I've made this mistake plenty of times. So what I do is either I kind of brush it, I fan it, or I blow on it, and kind of do that for maybe like 10 to 15 seconds. And once I feel like it's the right, we can't really tell when it's the right consistency. So I would say 10 to 15 seconds. If it's been that long, then I will go ahead and the way you can tell is it's not gonna be like super blue anymore. That's what it looks like. And we're going to, I usually start in the middle and it just stays right on. And then I go to the end and I apply it to the end, and I try to get it as close to my lash band or my lash line as possible, not on top of it. And then I do the inner corner last. But the reason that I do the middle first is because that's where you're gonna see if it's the right length. So you see that, how easy that was? And I just kind of push it down, and I just make sure that both ends are on good. Now the other thing, you can either apply your mascara either before or after. Sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, I'll do it after, but I'm doing it before. So, or after, I'm sorry. And I apply some just to my lash underneath. And then what I do is I take my tweezers and I kind of just push them together. So it looks a little bit more natural. As natural as these lashes will get. So, see that? Blends perfectly with my eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lash. My other lash, I'm sorry, I almost lost.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
And then again, take my mascara. Also really important to pick the right lashes for your eyes. Now I have tried to wear lashes and they were just super thick and full, and they just didn't look right on my eyes because I have smaller eyes. And there's a lot of people that those lashes do look really good on, but on me, I figured that those are not the lashes for me. But these lashes are perfect for my eyes. And there you go. Apply these lashes. And literally, when you apply a pair of lashes, they make you feel like a whole new woman, for real, okay? So these lashes, you can get these at your local beauty supply store, Walmart, Target, anywhere. You can get lashes anywhere, okay? And if you're just beginning, I definitely would recommend to try lashes with a smaller band. That way they're not like poking you in your eye, or it's just when you have a thicker band, they don't tend to bend too easily. So that's why I do recommend to start with a smaller band lash. A lot of Kiss lashes, the more natural, wispy looking lashes, they are the most easiest lashes to apply, and I use those on a regular basis. But this is actually for like a special occasion, or if I'm feeling like a little extra today, I'll put these lashes on. But basically, just take the time, let your lash glue get tacky, and apply your lashes on. You know, if you want to wear some big dramatic lashes every day, go ahead, girl. You do you, okay? Don't let nobody tell you different. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and shout me out and leave a comment below if you loved this video.